this year TV, maganda to Kakshila Christmas. Welcome to the Rasan Dahayan, Kronos inside quarterly 2016 Christmas Salam Salashidale. Government election ganingshi maram achi edumida maverishi abamida guards la haimida edumli ning laganeda muyon satakli edida edum rimkhase chilam meda rally matai meda ning sisai marama singum paida kachithaba kazada ngaha Actually, the Rasan Island, Rasan It Maria Hilira was the granted any power, Mokuya say, Marama, Nikchunka, Horn Honda, Mohon Quiramida, back to the island Chunka, they were going to lay. Adam Gari. Ngarai Mandalika issue government shop right here, wide and clear shop, wide and short. Kali Ngarai Mandalika issue notice actually Python the shop that they did. Are the video of the shop set. Oh, the kada so ni ni lam ni chimang laga ning ching laga ni so ni sapla ai ma ni laga akham ba ari ya hi pa na ai akham Christmas langa is set on ni mai kana laki Christmas in a hunting Christmas come on here more child ka shai shabni kala akore mang sam sa dai solution ka aju idum le ga aman sakla ke mi aya tam ni sakla ke na lawi ki kulung le ki yo so ga ta ki khilak la ga ji thai shi ba ga ning shi bai salak se ji re ka pe na hang lai le chiwi ba na Jesus Christ he chiri kai unau ne ida hamau la kaju maram ni pun na kai tu ngara un fai sa se o gtui ni chiri kai meni ki jang pa le ki si chiri kai ni jang sire ka hau sire United Nations Aji what yang sarle, oh tu cingri hai kawan, what bang tu sarle, ni ke cungga juhod le, paisa ke cungga, juhod sok lo sarle le cingri kahai, peace wibang, ka itu nanti tanggung ke cingga, asyik India na 1947 le independence sangangi British we actually kachunga ashidalga ngaralaga independent ningkhan which is some of my garai chingri hairada ningkhana na opshireda inside actually it will be a chingri hairada Pemerintah negara Pakistan, tanggung jawab rakyat lagi. Wabah bercita India orang ini negara, bom ni, rakyat ni, kondesan ni, esok. Ciri kahai, acu itu beri shock tak lagi insiden jaga naga for freedom. Or America for sovereignty. Sak changle itu menjadi adunam infal show hai on show idum on to mai thon ni ka hai kari mai sin ni ka hai nagawi bang kala hang sin tang ko li bang history thakla na kapi li ka hai kali kada India na naga hining khan ni ni sia naga hi kichen kat chingri aina okti haurala chingri ka hai kichen tam disra idun na rai na sa mawi facing side kachiri ka hai bicha tam chitra are le the to be mirin kali facing side naga na kali kata independent link khan sa bungai sa na ina kaninge kala ina sure side chiri ka hai bicha ina masam malay rumray Aju Ninghan some higher nations kya hole le ho chiri thang ga ji da wer le Ninghan some higher you are le thang ga ji da do shau da le hon ga sa le reps sa le drugs abuse le sexual perversion le ngapon ngakui yen shi sok sidle matang na itu na pinge kaji kathana paisa chung ka nei sa ni ja chingri haure khadne shai paisa tra ko shi ni he niyama ki ni chi ka shang ram ko ji yaw ni china ka hamba ka cham na pin he pha mai ka re bi ni ni ka cham na pin chi ba mai agam ki jaw si agam ki ma si agam ki shi shi ni chi ka hai malay ni ka bible na hai chi ka hai akale ji Matthew chapter 5 verse 3 ba tam sa blessed are those blessed are poor in the spirit for theirs is the kingdom of heaven manglali cham dak leting so ning sai chi ka hai sai marama kasi mo chi na chumi ba ni a chumi ba ni aji tu ni mere ni ka tiu na wa ba ni manu cha le de manu ring de le chi ka hai le de ko mo i tu ni re ni ya ka hak ti ka hai la se ka aji ka tiu na le na example sa da medalla na ngana na pe no way exactly fake sa dai fake sa dai inu mi some man mi jata mi sa mi no mi cha ma ha ni krishna bi ba concern ni na ne ya ni ring da so ko kai ke ko kai ni re ko kai ta da ke te no mi hi ai na da inu mi ni le de ke chi ta da ya inu mi ring ni ara ko ni tam dai ko I hui hai I na sagi jeng masa tu rai I ngala pui ran hai rai ari na pui ran I saksa ran hai rai ari na saksa ran I ot sam ran hai rai ari na ot masa ran ni ba ke dio dio na ni ke dio dio idum na pring ngi Bible Rana Jesus Christ Matthew chapter 6 li hang hai la ki ba ga dum ning ge o se ki ba ga na tu ku na se u ka khana hi ba Rana na thai yu ri ba me Gentiles in Ukaname, Kibang Jishuna Hamai, Matthew chapter 6, killing part of Joshua. Family problems, brotherhood problems, now round problems, children high. Problems solved because I suck opportunity later, Merchant, I don't jump, issue for Nalina, getting down a day. Issue down now. Issue them something they bomb the way. I should now show the two they bomb the may have now the rush of it. As in the clay. First floor they bomb the clay, I should be left out. I said, I don't bomb the clay, she down now with the rush of it. She will bomb one time. The chin, the yard, is she down now? You right, she will bomb the clay. Because you can I have a fire of my house. Which you can open by brain. Sami issue the condition behind it. Mashume FIR Papan Ari Yaka police station they banning enemy the clergy is becoming Mashume. Masami the Upsang high Malaki the high, but you can come in a company liver, become more to be over 3 Constitution of Brazil, how can it be? It will be in Hanai Masaka Vijay. I know how the Julia Tishuda Kazana Mashua Vijay. Saklate. Issue and Villa, Jidana, book by the show today, a Sanga, and unknown. In a hand, I Adam, around the Hamana, the Kaishi one. Chiri Kahai, Shimanga Hai, Chiri Soju, to the Archie. Itu opportunity yang nangrai. Kecil masuk deh tu, nang ikla kejahatan besar. Sisanya Yesus Kristus kekinian merawat dan membantu yang nangrai. Ciri kahai itu perfect kejahatan mesem nangrai. Marama John chapter 12 verse 31 itu tahu seventh and the prince of liar father of liar aja opportunity awal sauda anak muda ini tentang itu lere ciri kahai itu lere taka awalnya itu question saya itu bawa taka ciri kahai itu opportunity lere atau bos belum sama Shui room itu ni malay na, curi kahai, cakap itu ni malay na. Kagahan atau tujuan, lay. Hak lagi na lay. Kenapa lay le cakap? John chapter 14 verse 27 ni, Jesus Kristus ni hidup hamai lay. Peace I live with you. My peace I give unto you, not as the world gives. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither it be afraid. Answer begini. Jesus Kristus. Ciri kahai itu mihai itu leko. Itu beli mihai leko. Hal hai taka. Itu ciri kahai. Itu sampai. Ciri kahai itu meleleh. Ciri kahai apa? Kecil, Jesus Kristus dah hang tak lagi, kini kahang mana? peace ke adam tran idumna Hebrews wena yengaka shalom shalom ke hi greetings ni Hebrews Judy greetings adumna shalom the Greek ka sai kibla Hui ka klana wholeness or maning ka well-being. Itu mesti Israel. Jadi lang may naman ay wholeness, kamat matalay, well-being. Tada pasang ka chingri na content, salary kari, chini, peace kari. New Testament ni Yanaka, shalom with New Testament and well-being. Ili emphasize suddenly lang may restoration or reconciliation or maning salvation. Here to me relates us with shalom with peace. Now we need restoration legaya kamisran. Now we need reconciliation legaya kamisran. Now we need salvation like Adam Nutran. Come on, kill it, say. Love may the Kita Dali, say. Chile Adam Nutran. Idum, Chiri Kahai, Kuti, somebody. Chiri Kahai, Kuti, Kaju and a Rablatka, Chiri Kahai, Kuti, Mirawi, I somebody. Chui Bangana, Chiri Kahai, Kuti, rather me how the Chipa way some of the Jesus Christ in the life so much. Chew anything that is simple, how can we in the Romans, chapter 5, verse 1 about them to try. Because he justified. Jesus Christ, are we mga justified some here? Even become Miji and Mashuli some here. Colossians 1:20 take about them. Jesus Christ on the cross only ashita bumi mangaina. Ana itu bang reconciliation sampai reconcile sampai hari reconcile. Apa dah mau kita bicara? Kau ingin berapa kita bicara? Itu reconcile. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 14, and make one in him. Kala ana regard after bersama sama. Itu mana berahi after bersama sama. Ciri kahai itu nak experience. How kahai ini? Ara itu nak experience so simple aja dalam strand itu uklum. Menglawan uklum cuma experience apa ye dah. Itu alumni lagi menglawan cuma ciri kahai itu experience apa ye. Hile hamda boleh Philippines with chapter 4 verse 4 to 7 kapa atam strand. Kada ada ciri kahai je alumni experience apa aja dalam strand. Ini orang kapa. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again, I will say rejoice. Let your gentleness be known to all men. The Lord is at hand. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer with supplications. With thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. And the peace of God, who understand, the peace of God, which surpass all understanding, will guard your hearts and mind through Jesus Christ. The peace of God, which surpass all understanding, all our understanding. Even the pop that I did not get, other pop down the picture. The round chili high, Chumangaina. Even the chili is free. Anxious for nothing. Ki kau orang menunggu kalau ukmak menunggu. Berawal, ciri kahai juga kena ada mitra itu menunggu ciri berawal. Beresnya besar itu syukur sedang Kristen kahai ni ada sada Itong Julie House. Julie ay otrisi siya ka. Ariyan ba ito? Itong anong itong what's up? The rival relationship. How do they add on each other? Julie na ay lately. Kakara, Kibana, Julie na ay samang-samang. Chini kahit kita bersama sepertilah the question dengan akan dijual. Philippians 3, chapter 4, verses 11 to 13 kepada akan dijual itu nanti. Paul dah hang dia, Paul dah hang. Iba, Shamla dah lagi, Shamla dah lagi. Laila lagi, kita mulai lagi. I'm content with what I have, with what I have. Kita na Paul manahani content. Awili kada kapit niya kunci leye. Chui bangana awili hilay hauna. Itu Paul kibang lagi tu. Paul ini kibang lagi tu. Chui bangana, ciri kahari. Keji hikipana sama mereka keji akan secara Yesus Kristus lorunda kerja ni memang sebagai bahawa nahawe it is unknown to the unsaved people. Kau ini mesam kepada ni memang ciri kahai keji kita mesti ini kahai Kristus itu kahai memang ciri kahai keji kita keji somebody. Kalau here, we're sovereign. Our sovereign gift, our sovereign gift. Take on their gift inside. We're ciri kahai itu menjadi jawab. Itu mengenai sahaja bang. Running to the rewards and winning money. Cover runner. Awi what agang saga, awi object agang saga. Kamata what's the surgery now? It will be achieved the high. Which is something of the something. Luke chapter 2, verse 14. Hangai. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward man. Hinay kahambang. Matalo, rimpalo, isingaw na. Maramba, o juili, chini kahaji pirai. Chini kahaji kathaga pirai how love jata sa agang amay na God and man relationships through Christ. Kristen Karawi Malaya Idumli Chimikaji Pirani Rivine Mikomo Mamisik by the Legislature Mama you by the Legislature Rivine Kristen Malaya to be Chimikaji Pirani. Ada apa itu? Itu nawi, itu na aja, ciri aja mereka. Kini kita soal na ciri aja mereka. Itu voice sasa. Mereka apa? Nagada ciri aja semua mereka. Puji na itu voice sasa. Ana na question saba itu ni. Aringana. Ciri kahai Yesus Kristus dipanggil ini. Awi panggil itu kita ciri bersama lagi. Kalau ciri kahai itu baru nama Yesus Kristus kekenia kerana itu ciri perfect fullness of peace itu ciri sama mereka baru. Isaiah chapter 11 Papa Adam the child Jesus Christ na kaniya Jerusalem ni David we bom kong rap we ki now we are about an rap mu Adam the child kalay na millennium kingdom the day 1000 years Jesus na ram ki Adam the child Adam chiliba Bagal the Adam child Shakila Simugla Chawla Sayu Dog so ba really some good sing than the whole side now began it for really so ba the Hebrew brain perfect peace road camera lamlay re right side lamlay re ajo between the nuclears ya shandaklay no way kam ta shandaklay to mai ki kam sa mai hari no sa to say Christian ka kaniya kra ta chulu ka ni che idom atam chi chulu ka ha chi Hey, Isaiah 57, verse 21, but there is no peace. But there is no peace, says by God, for the wicked. There is no peace for the wicked. Magpa sabi. Magpa liap chang sa da ring da leping. Rana hame atuwa chili kahai malevini marama atu rally quiz rally market malevini but for those who love peace and live for peace they are blessed because they are called the children of God chili kahaya Lilleg shipping. Kala chingri entering kniving at the soap being silent marama at the name of Rawi now Rani. Matthew chapter 6, Matthew chapter 5, verse 9. At the Rawi now Chiwi Bangana. For unto us a child is born at the Bahaji. Unto us a son is given. The government will be upon his shoulder, and his name will be called Wonderful. Christian, Rahman Atamjisha. In the Samai boring Samai Marama is wonderful. I have a different day. And his counselor. I don't know. We can wait to me. Counsel the ceremony. Counsel the ceremony. Come on, they show me. Rana, Rahman Matamcha, Ada, it will be Machine Queen, Matalakani, Buddha family, and because is the mighty God, Awahima, Bangsham, Kalaya, Shasha, Revrani, Bangsham, Revrani, mighty God, Awahima Stamsham, Lebre, maybe Manichire, Awakam Divinity, Lamina, everlasting Father, which is Ahi, Ra, Ava Vishne, which is Bamilina. He is the Father of eternity. Everlasting Father. Katam Makabaya. Jesus Christ. Lasare Kachini. Arimia. Kilirazan Gari Tupi. Ogutwili. Nani. Ring the lady line at the Kalagini lay Gari to Saipori. chingri ai kipa ka gi Arabia chingri ka hai mening cham ne gi je chang samrai itu ni itu chingri ka hai ning cham ne gi ka Arabia ta mi lang sai itu ni ba nagi kya ho san sa pai no issue ku ga le problems ku chu ka le sa pai kala ne ko how ku chu ka le sa pai no we ko ka chu ka le sa pai itu me ga jahan masam ko ga chu ka le sa pai itu me ga ra ga chu ka le sa pai ka Arabia re raw chu na ha ga ba ba ki ka no cái theo nó gặp nó chính vì cả hai cái chỉ nên chẳng có được ra được cái ai chịu nó thuộc về bạn yêu vì nào nghe rồi Jesus Christ ra được nghe rồi nó thuộc về bạn nghe rồi chính vì hai ông nào này ít thôi chính vì hai ông nào chỉ sinh sống ít thôi vì vì problem sai for gì rồi rồi chỉ là cái sa se Arabia idum sai poorly chini kai sen the 2016 Christmas ni pa ina no yon ko ya adam kala sim ko de chini ina ko chipa sa sir no da he sulamena au shu kai idum sai poorly around so sa mission